¿Mm?
¿No la vaca?
No.
Entonces saca foto.
Now I'm going to turn the Jeep back on. And this is what happens. And they actually went out completely. Oh, there we go. They're back on again now. But sometimes they will go out completely. And then I will get in my dash an error message stating that my signal lights are not working properly. Or not working at all. See, as you can tell right now, they were off for a moment there. There you go. See? And now they're coming back on, and I'm pretty sure on my dashboard I probably should see an error message. No, it's not, but it's blinking really fast, if you can tell. So definitely not working properly. And there's the message I was telling you about. So this is what I'm experiencing. I've connected everything. I double checked all my wiring. Everything is good. Like I said, when I turn the Jeep off and it is not running, everything seems to work fine, as you can see. That's on that side. And that's on that other side. So, don't know what's going on. I know I'm the second person posting with the same situation. There's another gentleman with a Rubicon just like mine who had his installed and experiencing pretty much the same issues.